How to order from Temu with cash on delivery. Hey everyone, in today's video I'm going to walk you through how to place an order on Temu and pay using the cash on delivery option. This is perfect if you simply prefer to pay when your package arrives. Be sure to watch until the end so you don't miss any important details. Alright, let's jump right in. First, go ahead and open the Temu app on your phone. Make sure you're logged into your account and ready to browse. I'm just going to pick a random one for this example. Let's say I want to buy a phone case. So I tap on it, choose the right color or type, basically whatever options are available for that product, then tap on Add to Cart button. After you've added the item, you'll see a little cart icon at the bottom of the screen. Go ahead and tap on that to open up your cart. This is where you'll review all the products you've added before placing the order. Make sure the quantity is correct. The items are what you want. Here's where things can look a little different depending on where you live. You'll usually see payment methods like Apple Pay, PayPal, or New Card. But what we're looking for is the cash on delivery or COD option. Now here's the catch. Not all regions support this COD feature, and even in regions where it's available, it might not show up if your order amount is too high. For example, in my case, I tried to place and that was considered too high for COD in my region. So if you don't see the COD option, try reducing the total amount in your cart to something smaller like €10 or €15, depending on the limit set for your country. If your region does support cash on delivery and your order total is within the limit, you'll see the COD option listed just under the other payment methods. It might be labeled as cash on delivery or sometimes just pay with cash. Once you see that, go ahead and select it. After that, scroll down and tap the big orange Place Order or Order and Pay button, depending on what your version of the app says. Temu will then walk you through the final confirmation steps, like your delivery address and estimated delivery date. After you confirm everything, your order will be placed and you'll be expected to pay in cash when your item arrives. It's really that simple. Make sure you have the exact amount of cash ready when the delivery arrives. And that's all there is to it. You've successfully placed a cash on delivery order using the Temu app. Now keep in mind, this feature is currently only available in certain Middle Eastern countries, so if you don't see the option, it could be due to your location or sometimes the total value of your order. Try lowering the order amount or checking back later if the option doesn't appear. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, be sure to give it a thumbs up. If you've got questions, feel free to drop them in the comments, and don't forget to subscribe for more helpful Temu tutorials. Thanks again for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.